I went outside and I shoveled. Snow is frozen on my door. Can't get out. There we go. I'm not going back out right now. I can't. Jack might make some room on the couch for me. I think it depends on how he feels. How you feel about that, Jack? You wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? That's what I thought.